This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a BMW M5 in GTA 5 online easy method. Start at a mod shop or use the vehicle cloning glitch and pick a donor car with similar body proportions. Then prioritize engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension upgrades to match M5 performance and handling while saving your liveries and custom plates for the final visual match. You should prepare your garage and funds before starting to avoid wasted runs and failed modifications. Locate a donor vehicle with a matching chassis and hood profile, then ensure access to an auto shop and paint options. Prioritize buying engine and turbo upgrades first, then focus on body kits, rims, and light mods to create the M5 silhouette while testing drivability after each major change to keep. Begin with power upgrades such as engine, turbo, and gearbox to get the necessary straight-line pace. Then tune suspension, brakes, and tires for cornering and stability. Next, add visual parts like bumpers, side skirts, roof tweaks, and performance rims, and fine-tune paint, decals, and lights to capture the M5 look. Always test drive between major changes and adjust for both style and performance balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.